Hey snack lovers, welcome back to Taste the Globe, the place where we celebrate all International Food Days, one delicious bite at a time. Welcome to Taste the Globe, where we celebrate all International Food Days. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's basically happiness in bar form. Today, we are celebrating National Milk Chocolate Day, the delicious holiday you didn't know you needed. From fun facts to tasty ways to indulge, we've got your 5-minute chocolate fix coming right up. Smooth, sweet, and oh so satisfying, today is all about indulgence. Welcome to National Milk Chocolate Day, celebrated every July 28th. Whether it's in bars, cookies, drinks, or desserts, milk chocolate has a special place in our hearts and our taste buds. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share today's video. Milk chocolate is made by combining cocoa solids, cocoa butter, milk, and sugar. It's creamier and sweeter than dark chocolate and became wildly popular after it was introduced in the 1800s. Unlike dark chocolate, which has a stronger cocoa flavor, milk chocolate offers a balanced, mellow, melt-in-your-mouth experience, which is why it's a favorite in candy bars and confections worldwide. Swiss chocolatier Daniel Peter is credited with inventing milk chocolate in 1875, after figuring out how to mix condensed milk with chocolate. With the help of Henri Nestle, yes, that Nestle milk chocolate became a delicious revolution, soon spreading across Europe and the world. Fast forward to today, and milk chocolate is a staple treat, found in everything from Snickers and Cadbury to gourmet truffles and hot cocoa bombs. Here are some fun ways to indulge in National Milk Chocolate Day. Eat your favorite chocolate bar, obvious but essential. Try a new brand. Go international, Swiss, Belgian, or artisan chocolate. Bake something chocolatey, cookies, cakes, brownies, go big. Make chocolate-covered treats, strawberries, almonds, pretzels. Host a chocolate tasting, compare milk, dark, and white chocolate with friends. DIY hot chocolate night. Yes, even in summer. Bonus. Add marshmallows. Whether you love it straight from the wrapper or melted into a gooey dessert, milk chocolate deserves its own celebration. So go ahead, unwrap that bar, take a bite, and savor the sweet joy of National Milk Chocolate Day. Let us know in the comments, what's your all-time favorite milk chocolate treat? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow chocoholics.